Should we be worried about AI? In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly transformed various aspects of our lives, from enhancing efficiency in industries to making our daily tasks easier. However, this swift advancement raises critical questions about the implications and potential dangers that lie ahead. As AI systems become increasingly autonomous and capable, we must assess whether we should genuinely be worried about their development and influence on society. One of the primary concerns surrounding AI is the ethical implications of its decision-making processes. As these systems begin to operate with minimal human oversight, the fear of bias and inequality emerges. Algorithms are trained on vast data sets, which might inadvertently reflect societal prejudices. This can lead to unfair outcomes in critical areas such as hiring practices, law enforcement, and even medical diagnoses. Consequently, ensuring transparency and fairness in AI systems becomes paramount to avoid deepening existing societal divides. Another significant issue is job displacement due to automation. As AI technology continues to progress, many fear that it could replace human workers in various fields, from manufacturing to professional services. The shift towards automation can undoubtedly improve productivity, yet it also carries the potential to render certain jobs obsolete. This reality necessitates a conversation about reskilling the workforce and preparing individuals for a future where human-AI collaboration is the norm, rather than a cause for alarm. Lastly, the potential for misuse of AI technology is a pressing issue. With powerful tools at their disposal, malicious actors may leverage AI for nefarious purposes, ranging from creating deepfakes to sophisticated cyber attacks. The threat of increasingly convincing misinformation or disinformation campaigns poses a risk not only to individual privacy, but also to the fabric of democratic institutions. Vigilance in regulating and managing AI technology is crucial to mitigating these risks and ensuring its responsible application. In conclusion, while AI offers tremendous possibilities to elevate human capabilities and enhance various sectors, it undeniably comes with significant risks that warrant our attention. It is essential for society to engage in open conversations about the ethical and societal implications of AI development. By fostering collaboration among technologists, policymakers, and the public, we can work towards a future where AI benefits all, rather than instills fear. Striking the right balance is not just necessary, but imperative.